Good morning, everyone. I'm Nadine, and I'm here to give you today's trading notes. For the U.S. markets, U.S. stocks rose on Monday as Wall Street tried to build on its 4-month winning streak. The Dow Jones closed 236 points higher to 26,664. The Nasdaq Composite jumped 1.5% to an all-time high, ending the day at 10,902, while the S&P 500 gained 0.7% to 3,264, its highest closing level since February 21. Shares of major tech companies led the way higher for the broader market. Microsoft gained more than 5% after confirming reports about being in talks to buy social video app TikTok in the U.S. The talks come even as President Donald Trump threatens to ban TikTok because of security concerns over its parent company's ties to China. Apple and Netflix rose 2.5% and 2% respectively. Moving on to the local market, cash remittances from OFWs coursed through banks slumped to $2.1 billion in May from $2.6 billion in the same month a year ago, the biggest decline in nearly 2 decades after the negative 34% recorded in January 2001. OFWs face salary cuts and layoffs as the pandemic continues to ravage economies around the world. Year to date, cash remittances dropped 6.4% to $11.6 billion. We think the contraction in remittance inflows has yet to bottom out in May and will continue to affect the local economy in the coming months, with the expected drop in consumption. Remittances fuel consumption that makes up 70% of the local economy. The BSP in June said remittance inflows are expected to shrink by 5% this year, a reversal from the 2% growth forecast it gave in May. ADB economists projected the Philippines to be the most affected in the region by the decline in global remittances this year. Meanwhile, the PSEi may likely trade in a downward bias this week as investors await second quarter GDP results. Consensus shows that the economy likely contracted 9.2% according to the latest Bloomberg survey. Watch out for immediate key support levels at 5,800, 5,700, and 5,400. That wraps up today's market outlook. Join us again tomorrow for your daily trading notes. Stay safe!